And I did the opposite, which later, Laird was like, anytime you get hurt, Laird will be like movement. But this was before all that. But I started working out, and it got worse, and it got worse, and it got worse. But I continued to work out, and I started running, and I started doing pistol squats and all this kind of shit. Ooh. And then one day it was gone, and it never came back.
Really?
Never came back.
So you just beat it out of you?
I beat it out of me.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, movement is everything. You need circulation.
Everything.
And
you need blood in there, which is why they do PRP, which is why they do stem cell work or whatever.
Yeah. And if you're just sitting there, the problem is you're also your body's going to atrophy. Yeah. You're going to lose strength. Exactly. And then it's going to make whatever injured that area in the first place.
But that was always promoted by doctors. Why would that always be promoted by doctors? Again, whether it's politicians or whether it's doctors or whether they're telling you, you got to eat from the 4 food groups, man. You're going to die otherwise. And you're
there's a lot to that stuff. But the 4 food group shit is a lot of it. It's people just not knowing what the fuck they're talking about.
That's what I mean.
And also, there's a
like
different perception back then of like what was healthy versus now. But it's also a lot of these doctors, they're not athletes. And they don't really understand like what's possible with the body. They just know how to fix things when they break.
Right.
And then for the average person, they say just rest, because the average person is not going to fucking do what you're doing anyway. So it's like why tell them? Like what you really need to do is movement, constant movement, and just beat that injury into submission.
That's right.
And no one's going to tell you that.